Chapter 7.
Our solar system. Learning objectives: the solar system, the 8 planets, the moon, other objects in space. If we look up at the sky in the night, what do we see? We see countless small stars twinkling in the sky. The stars are huge balls of hot, burning gases. They are very big but appear so small because they are very far away from us. Many patterns of stars are visible in the sky. We call these patterns constellations. The sun is also a star. It is a very big ball of hot, burning gases. It gives us heat and light. It appears bigger than other stars because it is the nearest star to our Earth. The solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. The sun, together with the family of 8 planets and their moons, form the solar system. These are 8 planets in the solar system. The planets of our solar system can be divided into 2 groups: the inner planets, the outer planets. The inner 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer 4 planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are made up of rocks. They are made up of gases. They have no solid surfaces. The 8 planets that orbit the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Another large body is Pluto, now classified as a dwarf planet or Plutoid. Now, let us learn more about these planets. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury has no satellites. Mercury is made of iron. It is extremely hot during the day and freezing at night. The surface is full of craters. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus has no moon. Winds blow across the smooth, dry surface. There are volcanoes in a few places. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. We can see it in the sky at night. It is the brightest object in the night sky after the moon. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth moves around the Sun in a pathway called an orbit. It takes 1 year, 365 and a half days, for the Earth to orbit the Sun once. Earth has 1 moon. Earth is the only planet with life on it. The Earth's atmosphere protects the planet from the harmful rays of the Sun, allowing life to survive here. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Mars has 2 moons. The surface is a cold desert. There are volcanoes, mountains, valleys, and vast plains. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Spacecrafts from Earth have landed on Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet due to its reddish-brown appearance caused by the rusty dust on its surface. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th planet from the Sun. 28 satellites orbit Jupiter. Jupiter probably has a core of rocky material surrounded by gases and liquid. Jupiter has a very stormy atmosphere. 3 thin rings of dust particles encircle Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn has a magnificent set of large gleaming rings. Although all of the outer planets have rings, Saturn's rings are most visible. It takes 30 years to orbit the Sun. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. Uranus. Uranus is the first planet that was discovered with a telescope. German-born English astronomer William Herschel discovered it in 1781. It is the only planet that rotates on its side. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. This planet has 10 rings. It is the third largest planet. Uranus has rings and there are 27 moons orbiting this planet. Uranus is the oldest planet in the solar system. Neptune. Neptune is the last outer planet in the solar system. It looks blue in color. Neptune's wind is the fastest than any of the planets in the solar system. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet and is one of the gas giant planets. Neptune has 4 very dark rings. Neptune has 13 known moons. Pluto, a dwarf planet. Because Pluto is the farthest planet from the Sun, it is very dark, and this was the reason it was given its name after the Roman god of the underworld. Moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It looks so big and bright because it is so close to us compared to the stars and planets. It is about 384,000 kilometers away. The moon has no atmosphere. It takes 27.3 days for the moon to travel around the earth. As it does this, the moon seems to change its shape, but it doesn't. The different shapes we see are called the phases of the moon. What we see are different amounts of light being reflected on the moon. This all depends on the positions of the earth, the moon and the sun. Other objects in space. The solar system does not simply include the sun, planets and moons. There are small pieces of rocks flying through space called meteors. Thousands of giant small pieces of rocks flying through space called meteors. Thousands of giant rocks similar to small planets revolve around the sun between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. These are called asteroids. Comets are the objects that revolve around the sun and look like brighter stars with a tail, for they leave a trail behind. Keywords: star, a huge ball of hot gases; constellations, cluster of stars; satellites, heavenly bodies that move around the planet. Looking back, the sun is the nearest star that gives us heat and light. The sun, the 8 planets and their moons together make up the solar system. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. A planet moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Moon is the natural satellite.
Chapter 7.
Are